how about the batting? They haven't compromised on that, and they've gone with that full strength that played in the first test. We had a feeling Taskeen would play because he's got that experience. And yes, of course, you mentioned Shariful had a niggle, so he makes way automatically.
This format for a long period of time. That's the reason why he was scored.
Down the other end will now face up in his third test match. Got 56, batted with Soch. Here we go. Live action from test 2. Oh, he's cleaned him up. Stumps rattled and Bangladeshi. Pakistan.
That's a lovely shot, and that's why he's talked so highly about, because he can play shots like that through the covers into the drives and gets it through the gap. The length was there. Shan Masood this time in the air, but through the offside. Flowing drive from Saim Ayub this time. Boundary. Got ball and
The Pakistan skipper he's come out with purpose, he's come out with intent, brings up his 10th 50 in test cricket. He hasn't been able to score a 50 at home. "25 overs done. Pakistan 9 batters have tucked away their gloves, and all the players.
but coupled with some very intelligent in the air, pushed it away through the offside. Again the call for 2, and they'll come back for 2. The 100.
Oh, that one turn and given.
Straightens a touch. So welcome wicket for Bangladesh. Shan Masood looked good, but he departs for 57.
This is not the first time. We saw him coming down in that previous over against the fast bowler.
A little further. It's nice and slow. Yeah, I can see the bat is clearly.
And this is the
England in Chattogram. Edge! And
grasped it. Yeah, an absolute regulation catch for a slip. It reaches the boundary line finally.
Cut away for 4. Nicely timed.
Good footwork. Again. There was a lot of room on that occasion, and he accepted that room gleefully.
Oh, he's bowled it. He's chopped it on. And guess who with the ball? It's Taskeen Ahmed again. And it's the prized wicket being dropped once.
Onto the stumps, and that is a big wicket. And deviation of the surface, which made it much more harder for South Shakil, for the right-arm fast bowler. South Shakil.
Crease in and cut out for him. Oh, how has that missed? We didn't hear the...
A full this time, punched down the ground. And just makes it to the fence.
Stay on him as much as they can. Oh, this could be out. Got to be out. It is. Done in the length. Experience of Shakib gets one through.
It's a slider, the one that goes straight. He's gone back, he just skidded through. That is absolutely dead. Babar doesn't even look at the umpire. Shakib got and hits it really well. That'll go to the fence. Rizwan with the boundary. Slow one. And it is time for tea. Pakistan goes
Slow. Which started off left in that session. And now it's the time for Mohammad Rizwan, the man in form.
But you cannot go beyond test match.
Rebuilding phase. This one is hit out to the boundary. Should get to the boundary for 4 and does. So a welcome boundary first.
Oh, that's clipped him. The repealing bowler's on his knees, everything. Had missed. That is the review taken. Let's have a look.
It's nice and slow. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Yes, it hit the bat. You're on screen. Play signal.
Excellent.
Yeah, surprised by the extra bounce and a straightforward chance to the skipper. His first wicket. And that Mohammad Rizwan gone for 29. Pakistan.
Short ball, oh, almost. Quick shot into the body.
Proving his fitness, his guile, and
Guides this away. This will run away. Nicely used. Edge, oh, he gets the left mid to it, but it runs away. Come back for the third. Yeah, excellent work from Litton.
It's nice and slow, nice and slow. Yeah, bat is grounded. Take it back.
Maybe a better throw would have had him in trouble. It was excellent.
It's a big blow. It's a good catch. He's taken it. What a catch that is. He can hardly.
Shakib Al Hasan has taken a blinder. It was travelling with pace. It's never easy. The trajectory of the now out and has taken a really good.
He takes it. That's time. He's given out. Yes, he has been given out. Sorry.
Yeah, this time off the edge. Very simple. Shadman takes it comfortably. Mehdi Hasan Miraz now has 4. Mopping in decides to go after and decides well, gets 6. Welcomes Taskeen to the crease. Oh, big shout. That's Jack back in again. They're claiming for the catch as well if it's come off the bat.
Doesn't think it's hit anything. So there we go.
In the bag.
Oh, has a go. Imran launches it out of the ground. That's a huge hit. Salman Ali Agha just stares at him, laughs, but short ball in the air, but it's gone all the way. Smashes it out of the ground. Match 50. A specialist batting with the tail.
By Abrar.
How important will these runs be? Short ball in the air, chance, oh, taken. Shakib takes an impressive catch. It's the second one of the innings.
He was hit for a 6 in this over, but didn't shy away to bowl another bouncer. Doesn't connect, doesn't come from the middle part of the bat. It's a good catch in the deep by Shakib Al Hasan. Self inside those boundary ropes, so he has to depart. Salman Ali Agha goes for 54.
Else. Comes down the track and is stumped. Pfeiffer for Mehdi Hasan Miraz. Pakistan.
10th time has picked up a 5-wicket haul throughout in the first test match and also in this first innings of the second test match. Wild heave, completely missing it. And Lichun Kumar Das, outstanding from Mehdi Hasan Miraj.
Yes. 10th spinner from a visiting. 22.1 overs, 5 for. Nothing much to gain for the openers. It's a tough job.
Nerves, the two youngsters walking in.
First test match. Unlucky not to get to the 100. He seems to have all the ingredients to become classy top order player. Mir Hamza. Little bit of shape, edge. Dropped. Oh, drama straight away. Perfect delivery. Saud Shakil.
Saud Shakil, 5 slips in play. That's the 5th slip. Gets an opportunity. The first delivery that Mir Hamza bowls.
Ball just swinging away. Good height. It has gone quickly. Into the leg side. So it turns that away. It's a new ball. It might just skip away and reaches the fence. Trying to. Down the leg side. Last ball goes for 4 byes. They survived those 2 overs. Scored 10.